Welcome to Front Analytics. Today, we're going to explore how you can use Front's powerful analytics engine to gain insights and optimize your team's performance. Let's dive in and walk through everything you need to know to get started. To access analytics, click the graph icon at the top left corner of Front. Once you're in, you'll see options to view data for your entire company or focus on a specific workspace. Keep in mind that access to multiple workspaces depends on your team's subscription plan. If your plan only includes one workspace, that's what you'll see here. One important step before diving into metrics is setting up your team's business hours. Business hours define the time range when your team is expected to reply to customers, and they're crucial for tailoring your metrics. For example, let's say your business hours are set for 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. If a message arrives at 4:30 p.m. and you send a reply the next morning at 9:30 a.m., the reply time will be counted as just 1 hour. This approach ensures your data reflects your team's actual working hours, providing more accurate insights. Additionally, you can incorporate business hours into rules to automate workflows based on when your team is actively working. It's worth noting that access to inbox-specific business hours or separate workspace hours may also vary depending on your plan. To make your analytics experience even more efficient, you can create and save custom views. This allows you to set filters such as date ranges, inboxes, teammates, and more, and save them for quick access. If there are specific filters that you use frequently, you can even pin the view for future convenience. Once inside the Analytics dashboard, you'll find a variety of tools to explore. The first is the Live dashboard, which provides real-time data for your shared inboxes. It's a great resource for managers to monitor key metrics at a glance, flag performance risks, and take action on message queues to help teams meet their daily goals. From there, you can explore the Workload report, which is ideal for tracking conversation data over time. This report helps you identify the busiest times of day and provides a breakdown of workload by inbox. This makes it easier to make informed staffing decisions and delegate responsibilities effectively. If you want to drill into specific data points, you can click on a specific metric to see a pop-out panel with the conversations contributing to that number. This is a simple way to dig deeper without losing your place. The Team Performance Report is your go-to place to track metrics based on individual teammate, including how many messages they've sent, average reply time, and so much more. Click the gear icon next to any widget to change which metrics are visible. Next, the Conversations report offers a detailed look at how conversations flow through your inboxes. You can monitor conversation statuses, track the number of handled conversations, and compare message volume across inboxes. This helps you identify trends and opportunities for improvement. The Tags report is another powerful tool, giving you insights into the types of conversations your team handles most frequently. It highlights tagged conversations over time, average reply times for each tag, and more. This is especially helpful for spotting patterns, prioritizing training in specific areas, and improving efficiency. Since tags are flexible, you can use them to track everything from customer interests to sentiment, making them an incredibly versatile tool. Next is the Message Templates report, where you can track how your team uses shared message templates. The report gives you a clear view of how often message templates are being used, along with insights for each one. With this report, you can better understand your team's workflow, measure the effectiveness of your message templates, and even see how much time they've saved by using them. If you're monitoring response times, the SLA report will be your best friend. This report tracks your performance against reply time goals, breaking down metrics by specific rules, timeframes, and statuses. It shows you where you're excelling and where you might need to focus more attention. To use this report, you will need to configure your SLA rules first, so be sure to set those up. For a deeper understanding of customer satisfaction, the CSAT report is the way to go. It provides a snapshot of how customers perceive your service, highlighting metrics like message volume and reply times. To populate this report, make sure you've configured your CSAT surveys to collect customer feedback. If you're using chatbots or AI answers, the chatbots report is where you'll measure their performance. It shows how visitors interact with your chatbot flows and how effectively the chatbots are deflecting incoming chats from your team. This is a great tool for fine-tuning your chatbot's impact. Finally, there's the knowledge base report, which provides insights into your front knowledge base. You'll see activity levels, popular pages, and commonly searched keywords, all of which can help you refine your content and better serve your visitors. If you want to go even further, check out Front's Analytics Glossary. It's a fantastic resource for understanding all of the metrics available to you and getting the most out of your analytics experience. With these tools and insights, you're well on your way to using Front Analytics to enhance your team's performance and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Let's get started.